Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening while cooking, driving, studying, relaxing, or maybe sitting near a window on a rainy day.
Oh, a rainy day sounds perfect for today's topic.
Yes, today's topic is a rainy day.
We will talk about rainy weather, umbrellas, staying inside, drinking hot coffee, and fun things to do on rainy days.
And we will use very easy English,
Slow English,
clear English,
so you can practice listening.
and speaking.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, it really helps us make more English lessons for you.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's go.
Donna, do you like rainy days?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Oh, really?
Yes, I like rainy days when I can stay home.
Ah, yes. Staying home on a rainy day feels nice.
Very nice. I like sitting on the sofa with a blanket.
Oh, cozy.
Yes, cozy is a great word.
Let's practice that word together.
Cozy.
Cozy.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing.
For example, my room feels cozy on a rainy day.
Very good. What about you, Wilbert? Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, I love listening to rain.
Oh, yes. The sound is very relaxing.
Sometimes I open the window a little and listen to the rain.
That sounds peaceful.
Very peaceful.
But I do not like getting wet.
Me too.
One time I forgot my umbrella.
Oh no.
Yes, and the rain was very strong.
What happened?
I ran down the street like a crazy person. My hair looked terrible.
Maybe like a wet cat?
Exactly like a wet cat.
Oh no, Donna.
It was not a good day.
Did you have a jacket?
No,
Oh no.
my clothes were wet.
Your shoes too?
Yes, my socks were wet too.
Wet socks are the worst.
Yes, wet socks feel terrible.
Let's practice an important sentence.
I forgot my umbrella.
Very useful sentence.
Repeat after us slowly.
I,
Forgot.
my umbrella. Again,
I forgot.
my umbrella. Great job, everyone.
Donna, do you always carry an umbrella? Not always.
Really?
Sometimes the weather looks sunny in the morning.
And then suddenly,
Rain.
exactly.
Weather can change very fast.
Especially in some countries.
Yes, in my city it rains a lot.
Do you like the sound of thunder?
Not really.
You are scared?
A little.
Thunder can be very loud.
Very loud.
Boom.
Ah, don't scare me.
Sorry.
Sometimes lightning is scary too.
Yes, but lightning also looks beautiful.
That is true.
Rainy days can feel romantic too.
Oh, yes.
People drink coffee together,
Watch movies together
eat warm soup.
and stay inside all day.
That sounds wonderful.
What do you usually do on rainy days?
I like reading books.
Nice.
I also watch movies.
What kind of movies?
Comedy movies.
Oh, yes. Funny movies are perfect for rainy days.
What about you?
I like making tea,
Tea on a rainy day feels amazing.
especially hot tea.
What kind of tea do you like?
Green tea.
Good choice.
And sometimes hot chocolate.
Oh, yes.
Hot chocolate on a rainy day is the best.
With marshmallows?
Of course.
Very fancy, Donna.
Thank you.
Listeners, what do you like to drink on rainy days?
Coffee?
Tea?
Hot chocolate?
Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we want to know.
Donna, do you like walking in the rain?
Only if the rain is light,
Ah, light rain.
not strong rain.
Let's practice these words.
Light rain,
Strong rain.
heavy rain.
Very good.
Sometimes light rain feels relaxing.
Especially in a park.
Yes,
But heavy rain can be difficult.
very difficult.
Traffic gets bad,
Roads get wet.
and people become stressed.
One time I walked outside during heavy rain
Why?
because I wanted ice cream. I know, it sounds crazy.
Ice cream during rain?
Yes.
Donna, that is funny.
I really wanted chocolate ice cream.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Yes.
That is dedication.
Thank you very much.
Did you ever jump in puddles as a child?
Oh, yes.
Me too.
Children love puddles.
A puddle is a small pool of water on the ground.
Very good explanation.
Thank you.
I remember wearing rain boots when I was little,
Rain boots are fun.
especially colorful rain boots.
Yellow rain boots,
Red rain boots.
blue rain boots.
Oh, now I want rain boots again.
Haha, me too.
Children usually enjoy rainy days more than adults.
That is true.
Adults worry about work,
Driving,
wet clothes,
traffic.
but children just want to play.
That is a good lesson for life.
Yes, sometimes we should relax more,
And enjoy simple things.
like listening to rain,
Drinking tea
reading books.
or taking a nap.
Oh, naps are amazing on rainy days.
Rainy day naps are powerful.
Powerful naps.
Yes, you wake up confused and happy.
What year is it?
Exactly.
Wilbert, what is your favorite rainy day food?
Soup.
Oh, yes.
Hot soup feels perfect when it rains.
What kind of soup?
Chicken soup.
Very classic.
What about you?
Instant noodles.
Ah, yes.
Easy, cheap, and delicious.
Especially when you are lazy.
Exactly.
Rainy days make people lazy sometimes.
Very lazy.
Sometimes I stay in bed too long.
Me too.
The rain says stay in bed.
Yes, sleep more.
Rainy days have sleepy energy.
That is true.
Do you ever study English on rainy days?
Actually, yes.
Really?
Rainy days help me focus.
Ah, because it is quiet?
Yes, quiet and calm.
That makes sense.
Rain sounds can help people study.
Some people even play rain sounds while studying.
That is true.
Listeners, do you study better when it rains?
Or do you feel sleepy?
I think many listeners feel sleepy.
Probably. Let's practice some useful rainy day vocabulary.
Great idea.
Umbrella,
Umbrella,
raincoat,
raincoat,
rain boots,
rain boots,
wet,
wet,
cloudy,
cloudy,
storm,
storm,
thunder,
thunder,
lightning.
lightning.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's use them in sentences.
I need my umbrella.
I'm wet.
The sky is cloudy.
I hear thunder.
There is a storm outside.
Excellent.
Wilbert, have you ever been in a big storm?
Yes, one time.
Really?
The rain was very strong.
Were you scared?
A little.
What happened?
The electricity went out.
Oh no.
Everything became dark,
That sounds scary.
but also kind of exciting.
Really?
Yes, I used candles.
Oh, candles feel cozy too.
Exactly.
Did you use your phone flashlight?
Of course.
Modern problems need modern solutions.
Very true.
I think rain can change people's mood.
Yes.
Some people feel happy,
Some people feel sad.
and some people feel peaceful.
How do rainy days make you feel?
Peaceful.
That is nice.
What about you?
Creative.
Creative?
Yes, I want to write, think, and make ideas.
Interesting.
Rain helps me slow down.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Sometimes rainy days feel emotional too.
Yes,
Movies always use rain in sad scenes.
that is true.
Somebody stands in the rain dramatically.
And music plays in the background. Very dramatic.
I loved you, Sarah.
Oh no, poor Sarah.
Poor dramatic movie man.
Rain and movies are a famous combination.
Very famous.
What is your favorite thing about rainy days?
The smell.
Oh, yes.
Rain has a special smell.
Especially after rain.
Fresh air,
Cool weather.
clean streets.
Very relaxing.
I also like sleeping while it rains outside.
Best sleep ever.
Exactly.
But waking up early on rainy days is hard.
Very hard.
Your bed feels extra comfortable.
And outside looks cold.
So you stay in bed 5 more minutes.
Then 10 more minutes.
Then suddenly you are late. Oops.
Rainy mornings are dangerous.
Very dangerous for sleepy people.
Wilbert, do you sing in the rain?
Only when nobody can hear me. My singing is terrible.
I don't believe you.
Trust me.
Maybe you sing beautifully.
No, dogs cry when I sing. Birds leave the area.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you.
I sometimes dance a little in the rain.
Really?
Yes, only a little.
That sounds fun.
Life is short. Dance in the rain.
Wow, very inspirational, Donna.
Thank you very much.
Listeners, do you enjoy rainy weather?
Or do you prefer sunny weather?
Good question.
I think many people prefer sunny days.
Probably.
Sunny days feel energetic.
Rainy days feel calm.
Both are nice in different ways.
Exactly.
Now let's practice some useful questions.
Good idea.
Do you like rainy days?
Where is your umbrella?
Did you get wet?
What do you do on rainy days?
Do you like the sound of rain?
Excellent practice.
Now let's answer them naturally.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Where is your umbrella?
I forgot it at home.
Did you get wet?
Yes, a little.
What do you do on rainy days?
I drink tea and watch movies.
Very good.
Easy and useful English.
That is the goal.
Simple English for real life.
Donna, what is the funniest thing that happened to you in the rain?
Oh, okay.
This sounds interesting.
One day the wind was very strong.
Uh-oh.
I opened my umbrella.
And?
The umbrella turned inside out. It looked so stupid.
That happens in movies.
Yes, but it happened to me in real life.
What did you do?
I just stood there looking confused.
Poor Donna.
A little kid laughed at me.
Oh no.
Even the child pointed at me. It was embarrassing.
But also funny.
Yes, now it is funny.
Rainy days create funny memories sometimes.
That is true.
Sometimes bad weather creates good stories.
Very true.
Do you like watching rain through the window?
Yes, especially at night.
Rain at night feels magical.
And peaceful.
Sometimes city lights look beautiful in the rain.
Oh, yes.
Everything shines.
Cars, streets, buildings.
Very beautiful.
Rain can make ordinary things look special.
Wow, Donna, that was deep.
Thank you. I am a rainy day philosopher now. I might should write a book.
The Philosophy of Rain.
Bestseller.
Absolutely.
Donna, do you ever use an umbrella and still get wet?
All the time.
Right?
Rain somehow attacks from every direction.
Especially wind.
Yes, wind is the umbrella's enemy.
Very true.
Sometimes my pants get wet.
Sometimes my shoes get wet.
Sometimes my face gets wet.
At that point, the umbrella is just decoration.
True.
But umbrellas still make us feel safe,
Yes.
even when they don't work perfectly.
Listeners, do you carry an umbrella often?
Or do you just run through the rain?
Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Before we finish, let's repeat some important rainy day phrases slowly.
Great idea.
It is raining.
It is raining.
I forgot my umbrella.
I forgot my umbrella.
My clothes are wet.
My clothes are wet.
I like rainy days.
I like rainy days.
The rain sounds relaxing.
The rain sounds relaxing.
Let's stay inside.
Let's stay inside.
Excellent job, everyone.
You're improving your English step by step,
Slowly
naturally.
and confidently.
We're proud of you.
Very proud.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped your English listening and speaking.
And we hope you feel relaxed too.
Before you go, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And share this podcast with a friend who wants to learn English.
That would help us a lot.
And now we have one last question for you.
What do you like to do on rainy days?
Drink tea?
Watch movies?
Sleep?
Read books?
Tell us in the comments below.
Okay, everyone.
Stay safe
Stay happy.
and enjoy the rain.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.